Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm filming on my phone today, so this is about as casual as it's gonna get. You guys asked for this. You wanted the casual vlogs. Here you go. It is currently 7:20. Micah was supposed to come home today. He works 24 hours over at the station. So he's supposed to get off this morning, but he is getting held over, so I don't think he's gonna come home until around 4:30 today. So my day just opened up, so I thought we would hang out together. It's a beautiful day. Look at that sunrise. Please excuse my dirty windows. You can also see where my Octobuddy has been, which is so girl coded. But the sidewalks did get put in. If you saw my last video, you know that's the last big construction thing. So they're prepping the yard and then we're gonna plug our own grass. So that's why the backyard looks like that, but it's a beautiful day. Today's vlog is gonna be like we're on FaceTime, except it's just gonna be me talking. But yeah, I'm really excited to hang out. Let's get this day started. We have a little change of plans. I was supposed to get a pap smear today. I have put that off for actually so long. I didn't get one last year and I was supposed to, and it's not even like I'm worried about getting one because I've gotten one before. In fact, I vlogged my first time ever getting a pap smear and I was really scared and the experience was not bad at all. It was just like, I always describe it when people ask what it's like, I just describe it as like a really foreign feeling, but it, for me personally at least, it wasn't like painful. I know some people aren't as lucky, but I don't know why I put it off. I feel like it's just one of those things where I'm like, oh, I'll book it later, I'll book the appointment later, and then I just never did. And so finally had that booked for today, and then I started my period like 10 minutes ago. That's one thing I'm not doing. I'm not gonna have something when I'm already like cramping because my day ones are always so bad. So your girl is pumped full of ibuprofen and I still want to have a good day. It depends. Sometimes day one, I will just completely need to like lay on the couch and it's just so bad I cannot really move and I'll just have like a heating pad on all day, but I don't think it's gonna be one of those days today. The only reason I'm a little bit sad is because I just wanted to get it over with and now I feel like I'm putting it off again, but whatever. I rebooked it, rescheduled it, so don't forget to do those things for your health, just to stay on top of it. It's very important. And on the bright side, my period started today. It was supposed to start in like 3 days, which in 3 days, I'm gonna be in Disneyland. Mike and I are going to Disneyland. That'll be our first time together. I honestly haven't even gone like as an adult, so we are just so excited. I bought matching sweatshirts, the whole nine. Those haven't come in yet, but hopefully they will by the time the trip comes around. But it was gonna line up where our first day at Disneyland was gonna be day one of my period, which I was like really bummed about because I always just feel a little not myself and kind of icky. So, you know, it ended up working out. I actually do want to pack for that today. I bought a few cute custom Disney t-shirts on Etsy for my outfits. And I'm very, very excited. I think going during Christmas time will just be so magical and get us into the spirit. And also in California or in Anaheim, the weather said it's gonna be a little chilly. So we are very excited to wear our cold weather clothes. So now that I have kind of my whole day wide open, I'm gonna go hang out with my sister. I think my mom's with her, and obviously the baby. I feel like I haven't seen her in a while. And at the age she's at, every time I see her, she is just growing so much. So I wanna go see her, go hang out, have a little like family day since I have nothing. I like had my day clear, so it's kind of perfect. This is a really random and might seem kind of like a silly goal. Oh, that does not look good. Oh, hold on, my mother's calling. One of my random, maybe like sillier goals this next year, and just with like the age I'm at, you know, one of those things I want to just have down pat is I want to learn how to like properly do my makeup. Obviously, I know how to do a simple everyday look, but you know when people just know how to transform their face and they can actually do like a really cool makeup look or cool eye look? I just think that is so awesome. And I have all the tools, I just don't know what I'm doing. So that would be ideal to learn how to like beat my face. Here is the makeup. Skin is looking pretty good, which is scary to say because I feel like every time I ever say, oh, my skin's looking clear, like usually it retaliates. Anyway, I wanna put on a cute little outfit of the day. Now we have to accessorize. I wanted to say a big thank you to Majuri for sponsoring today's video. They're a jewelry company that I have worn and loved for 4 to 5 years now. And it's kind of funny because my mom would always gift me Majuri for Christmas because she knew it was my favorite, and they have so many cool, unique pieces. They have pieces that you'll have for years to come and to love forever. And so it's really cool to be partnering with them today and telling you guys about it because I think that giving jewelry is such a thoughtful gift. This necklace is so cute. I love the heart. I think it's really pretty. So I'm gonna wear this one today. So cute. And we also have the matching earrings. And how cute are these mini little huggies? If you have a second hole like I do, just to have a fun little earring stack, or you could obviously just wear them alone. It's not too late to get someone a gift that they're going to love forever. And in the, season of gifting, giving to others is so important. It's something I love so much, but don't forget, it's also nice to treat yourself too because you deserve it. So you can gift a Majuri piece and also get one for yourself. The jewelry that I have from them, I have had for years and I'll still have for years to come, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna link the pieces that I showed you down below, as well as just a link to Majuri so you can shop their amazing, amazing pieces. You're definitely gonna find something that you'll love, that your family or your friends will love. I think jewelry is one of the most fun parts of any outfit, just getting to accessorize and dress it up. So definitely a good gift idea. The grip is crazy. Hey chat, that was a fun little spontaneous girls' day. Went to Sephora. They had like the 15% off one-time purchase, and I've been wanting to try the I gotta drive. I hope this is what I think it is. It is! It is. They came in on time. I'm so excited. Micah's got Mickey, and then my little initial on the sleeve, and then I got the sweatshirt, and then his initial on this sleeve. We have to take a castle photo with this. You literally have to. I don't make the rules, but I do follow them. I will link the Etsy shop that I bought this on. It's so freaking cute. I got an extra large, and then Micah got a XXL. I'm in some comfy clothes, of course. I'm pretty much gonna be home the rest of the day. I'm just waiting for Micah to get home in about an hour, but I wanted to show you the 2 other little Disney merch items to wear that I wanted to show you because I don't think I'm gonna pack today. I'm probably gonna pack tomorrow, so you won't see that, but I'm really excited about these. They're 2 cute little shirts. This one I thought was adorable because I love, I've already gotten deodorant marks on it. That's perfect. And then this one I might like even more just because it's a little more outwardly Disney, but again, cute pair of jeans, belt, little bag, accessorize it, and yeah, both of these, everything I got on Etsy. Really, I'm trying to play into the whole Disney adult thing because why not? Ooh, or hold on. This I got during Black Friday, and it's probably the most beautiful sweater I've ever seen. I just thought this was so nice and cozy, but I just love the colors. I feel like, I don't know, it's a bit interesting, and I don't know when else I would really be able to like wear this in cold weather soon other than this trip, so I might bring this too. We'll see, stay tuned. I want to do little like outfit of the days on TikTok. Speaking of Etsy, I've been getting so many cute little things on there, but how cute are these little magnets that are like Christmas themed? I'm gonna have this sit on the couch, edit like a good YouTuber would, and wait for Micah to come home, and I will see you then. set for like 2 minutes, 1 minute. 7:30. And I'm about to be tucked up in bed. Let me know what you thought of this vlog. I know it's very, very different from the ones I usually do, but yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you want to see more of these, I can like sprinkle them in. Let me know how you felt about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.